I'm experimenting today with half a kg of undercut beef that was lying around. So I just took about a little bit of salt and some black crushed pepper, added some water to it and boiled it down. I'm sauteing this now in olive oil. I sauteed the beef a little bit and I've removed it. And in the same pan I added a little bit more of olive oil and some red chili powder, 2 sprigs of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and there's 1 onion sliced. I'm going to saute this. Once the garlic is sauteed and it's a little golden brown, you can add 2 sliced tomatoes. I don't even know what I'm going to put in next, but I'll figure it out and tell you. I've added 3 medium sliced potatoes because potatoes go really well with beef. I have mushrooms lying around, so I'm going to put that into real experimental dish. But first we need to let the potatoes cook, so that's just half a cup of water and I'm going to boil it. Check when the potatoes are done, let the water evaporate and add the mushrooms. While the potatoes cook, I came across this in my pantry. So I suppose I can put that in. And then I was thinking of mixing it with a white sauce. I don't know, let's see what happens. Potatoes are not fully cooked, but I'm still adding the mushrooms because I know the mushrooms will leave water as well, and that will help the potatoes cook faster. And in the meantime, I'm going to make my white sauce. 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, a little bit of milk, some water, maybe some herbs, and then a little bit of black pepper. And instead of salt, I put some chicken powder into this. There's 1 small packet of milk, quarter kg, and I think about half a glass of water. Now we're going to put the beef back into this, season it with salt, pepper, and a little bit of this balsamic glaze that I was talking about earlier. Pour the white sauce into the beef potato mixture and mix well. Oops, this is heavy. It looks good. And I've tried it and I honestly feel like it's lacking something. So I'm going to try putting some Worcestershire sauce. By the way, I added another tablespoon of the vinegar. So in all, balsamic vinegar. In all, 2 tablespoons. Let me see what happens after I've added at least 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. I feel like it's lacking mustard paste. So 1 teaspoon of that. Wow, what an experiment. Nailed it. It's really yummy. So this tastes like steaks and gravy that we used to have at restaurants when we were much younger, when no one knew of Kobe beef and Wagyu steaks and, the fancy stuff. So I'm going to post the recipe of this because I really like it. So that's it. It's ready. I'm going to call this beef and potatoes and gravy. I hope you make it. I really need to take a course in food photography. Look at what I've done. It's ready, guys. And I need my professional photographer daughter to take pictures from now on.